देख तेरा टीममेट स्टार्ट कर रहा है। अरे
6-5 geometry.
Completely dry weekend.
Okay, remember that the way the car
Completely
handles
dry
is
week.
all about weight transfer. When you brake, the center of mass moves forward. When you accelerate, it moves rearward. And when you turn, it is pushed to the outside of the car. More load on each tire equals more grip. So make sure you're smooth with the controls to prevent the weight transfer from becoming too violent.
Someone might be coming out ahead of you, bro.
All of you are on 6-5, right? Guys, important.
7.5 to 6.5 के बीच में लोग चला रहे हैं और कुछ लोग 7.4
Track
भी
is pretty
चलाते
empty
हैं।
right now. Lots of space.
अरे वो ग्लिच है, 30 सेकंड्स वेस्ट होता है।
And what's the race strategy for Spa?
Soft mediums, medium softs, either one, depending on where you qualify. वो शाह बस भाई वो तेरा कॉम्पिटिटर है सूरज।
अबे शाह अपना
ध्यान
कॉम्पिटिटर है यार।
रख। और तू गलत स्ट्रैटेजी बोल रहा है फ्रेंड्स बोलकर।
All clear the garage, please.
अच्छा
Car ready to
तो
leave.
हार्ड्स मत यूज करना गलती से भी प्लीज। चलो मैं तुम्हारा अब स्ट्रीम सेटअप करता हूँ एक एक का।
क्या कमेंट करेगा?
गाली लिखना है क्या लिखना है वो बता बस।
BO4 का प्रोपेगेंडा डाल।
ठीक है। ना 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 आपने परमिशन दे दिया, अब आएगी गाली।
अबे देखो ये टीम के बीच में ही चल रही है। ठोकेंगे या तू एक दूसरे को? आउट होंगे लोग।
ठोकेंगे बहुत जोर का ठोकेंगे। ठाकुरवा का मैं स्ट्रीम खोल रहा हूँ।
देखा देख ठोकेगा पक्का ठोकेगा। पक्का ठोकेगा आप तो।
रैप हो गया शॉप? ओके अच्छा वो मत कर, फोकस कर, कम कर रैप पहले।
Yeah.
Like boy is quite decent for Div 2. Good. Yeah, like no, P2 say you are like 3/10 off, and P1 say you are half a second off. That's good.
What's the pole lap?
42-2. Decent banker from Segboy. Steve is P10, right? But he's doing multiple laps. मनन लैप नहीं हुआ तेरा? एस्टन मार्टिन की अल्फा टोरी ओके गॉट इट नोटेड ये अभी 1 सेकंड ऑफ है मनन पोल से बट तेरा लैप में बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट्स कर सकता है नो इश्यूज टेंशन मत ले
Report that shit later.
या वो बाद में करना उसकी वजह से अपना टाइम मत वेस्ट कर गेट बैक टू द पिट्स एज सून एज पॉसिबल शायद तू जल्दी निकल यू हैव टू गो फॉर 2 हाँ निकल यू हैव टू डू 3 रन्स 3 रन्स करना है टाइम नहीं है बड़ा ट्रैक है
How many minutes left?
राइट नाउ 10 minutes
Yeah. Go.
मनन स्लो मत चलाना प्लीज हाँ जल्दी आना बिकॉज तेरा मुश्किल है कि तू 2 रन कर पाएगा और
How much fuel are you carrying, Manan?
बहुत लेकर गया था कम से कम 4 लैप का फ्यूल लेकर गया होगा
When you go out, go with 2.7 laps of fuel, not with 2.2. You'll run out of fuel before you can use it again.
फॉर लास्ट रन 2.2 Who joined? Alright. That's good. That's amazing. Focus करने को अच्छा है. टायर बचाकर आउटलैप करना बिकॉज अगर ये बेस्ट रन हुआ तो इसी टायर पे स्टार्ट करना रहेगा. तो बट ध्यान रखना कि करना है अपने को 42.5 अपना पोटेंशियल तेरे को लाना है. सूरज नॉट डन अ लैप येट.
Oh, I'm just testing the setup.
तो बहुत लेट हो गया. he is.
Most की stream.
Best of luck.
All the best.
Red Bull in ahead of me.
कोई रेड बुल नहीं है. He crashed out.
Is anybody starting a hot lap? Yeah. I need a toe.
I am on the Oruj. If somebody wants.
I'm coming.
Nice. Another lap of fuel now. The tank is empty.
Are you the Red Bull?
Coming. Oh yeah, Aston Martin.
Guys, silence. Let Shah focus. Guys,
What happened?
कितने से मिस किया?
Last
You
one में
have
ले
used.
लेना.
ना
Last one में
आ
ले
जाएगा, आ
लेना.
जाएगा.
आराम
भाग
से
भागा
आ
अंदर भागा, जल्दी जा, ठीक है? तेरा सेकंड सेक्टर में थोड़ा मिस्टेक किया था, वो इम्प्रूव करेगा. You'll be like in the 41s.
Oh,
क्या
no.
हो गया?
Oh fuck, what happened? Where?
No. मैं अभी देख रहा है.
शाह, तेरे ऊपर मीम्स बनाने पड़ेंगे.
It's okay. देख शाह, मैं देख रहा है लीडर बोर्ड टू टॉप 5 तो रहेगा. तू कुछ टाइम्स देख ले. टॉप 5 रहेगा. Bro, तू शाह, honestly, you are the fastest on this division. Yup, you are the fastest up here.
Don't give me false hopes. So
Guys,
But Suraj, good lap as well.
okay, I was able to put one lap.
Move on. Focus.
Just remember, you need 1.2 laps worth of fuel to finish a lap on this circuit. So on your last run, even if you have 1.2 laps worth of fuel when you start it, you can still finish a lap, and that's the fastest way to go about it.
What's the time? Ideal time to
Basically,
leave.
over rev your car.
Ideal time to leave the pits for the last run.
Go with 3 minutes left on the clock, leave then, and then 2.2 laps worth of fuel, minimum fuel and standard. At least up through Eau Rouge and Camel Street. After Camel Street, put it a bit on lean and then save fuel from there. You'll get it done easily.
So far, our
No,
fastest
pit,
lap
pit,
is a
pit, 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 because you are...
पिट करके नया टायर डाल. तेरे पास फ्रेश सेट से यूज कर.
Oh damn. No.
Should I improve or start on mediums? Joy.
Suraj improve.
I can, but I don't know how to start on softs.
Said you have like at least half a second in a lap, like easily.
Yeah. I want to be P11.
You want to be P11, fucker.
Doesn't make that much difference in Spa. Alternate strategy.
कितना टाइम बचा है?
We're 17th in the speed trap, 305.3 kilometers
2 minute
per
30 पे
hour.
निकल.
Go.
2 minute 20,
No,
2 minute 30.
Go, cause his pit lane is his pit lane is very far away from the exit.
Okay, no issues. ठाकुरवा पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है. Said put 2.2 final run. Yeah. Suraj retired in pits.
Yeah. Okay, Swaggy boy spun. So no more for him.
So Steve, this was your last lap, right? The one that you just finished.
Where is he?
Steve, best of luck.
Alright, best of luck, mate.
Okay. Swag boy, did he improve?
No.
So, what position, Manan? Give someone slipstream.
Sid is improving. Sid is improving.
Restaurant pitted. Let's go. Second row, come on. Come on.
Sid,
You
if
can
you
get the
improve,
second
you
row.
will be P10 or P8
Who?
if you improve.
Sid, try to push. Get P8. Get P8. It's better than
P8.
P11.
Damn.
Let's
Damn, I
go.
was much faster.
हाँ.
Ah, of course. P11 है तो you might as
Good
well.
lap, Sid. Good lap. शाह तू पोल था तेरा पोल था साले.
Guys, whoever is in the mid pack, careful because there is bound to be a crash. Make sure you are not in that crash.
Yeah.
Manan, that's why you're starting on that alternate tire, no? So you won't have to pit when you actually start on hards.
देखो.
That's what Shah was just sacrificing his life for Boruj.
Guys, just don't get greedy. 2-3 पोजीशन जाएगा चलेगा. What was Thakurva doing?
Now you can't change that, so it's just.
Manan, start on mediums. It's fine. Start on mediums. Bro, Thakurva got caught on stream corner cutting so badly to get to his next
Yeah,
lap.
Puhon pe he went so wide.
Yeah, mediums to softs. No point on the hard.
Suraj,
tires
you
here.
as well.
Yeah.
13.
13 is to
No. 15. He needs to do 15 laps on mediums.
15. 14 to 15.
14,
to,
yeah.
14 to 15.
Minimum
14
13. मतलब 13 करना ही पड़ेगा.
No, but then he'll have to do 10 laps on softs.
नहीं. 9 lap on softs.
No, just
No, no,
change
no.
it. It'll
Just
say
change
that
it
the
to
medium
soft to
tire
medium.
strategy is faster.
The medium tire start is faster, bro.
What is the
on this track.
laps? Total number of
Even
laps
the
here?
game will tell you that.
What is that? It has 22 laps on this track. If that's what
Make
you
sure to
want.
pause. Arey, start and pause. He just left.
Put 1.4 laps worth of fuel over. Put 23.4 laps worth of fuel in your car because there's gonna be a lot of safety cars. So, but it's still better to be in the
Guys,
positive.
first row में गाड़ी रहेगा साइड से जाना. शाह पॉज करके नहीं गया.
Okay, boys, whatever it is, all the best.
ऐसे अभी फॉर्मेशन लैप पे बात कर लो अच्छे से 2 मिनट.
Okay, how was
Just
the
like-
pull away? You'll have
let's
a bit
not-
more
let's
control
Shah-
on the start, but we need to warm the tyres properly.
What
now.
happened? Did he not
Make sure you
pause
get
his
some
car?
heat
So
on
he's
the
He
just
didn't
there.
pause. Exactly, he's just sitting there.
बोलते ना तेरा पैडल काम नहीं कर रहा था ठीक से.
मेरा लोड से अनलोडेड हो गया था.
It's fine then. It's
Fucker,
fine.
what are you guys doing?
It doesn't actually matter either way. They're pretty much the same strategy in Spa.
No rain expected. No rain expected.
Yeah,
for the
just
time
keep
being.
your-
Why did you go on to the soft?
The game put him on it.
The game put him on it, even though he selected
Array.
medium.
Okay. The noob game.
Anyway, Spa में it doesn't matter as much as other tracks what tire you actually start on.
Just keep your just keep front wings intact in the first, and hope to not get side pod or any other form of damage. That's it.
Oh, Shah, you're back. Oh no. ये तो last year भी यही track में हुआ था ना.
किसी ने मेरे को कुछ बोला? Okay, perfect.
Watch your braking. You'll probably have to brake very early in this first 3 laps.
Yeah, hopefully going up Eau Rouge, nobody like tries a very ambitious move down your inside or something because it's not meant for it.
Seventh gear.
Hook then. Actually, better just hook then because they're not supposed to be overtaken there.
After Camel though, it's fine. Going up Eau Rouge is the problem.
Where are you on the formation now?
I'm pretty sure there are people who are running 3 rear wing, judging by how many spins you're seeing at Eau Rouge. So keep that in mind that someone might spin in front of you. Okay, boys, all the best. I'm
Alright,
keeping
boys.
myself
Best of
on-
luck.
I'm on mute.
Boys, how many laps on softs?
Best of luck,
Boys,
guys.
how many laps on softs you can do?
Keep an eye on the lights. The start sequence will begin as soon as the grid has formed. Be ready with the clutch.
Good luck, boys.
Start always.
These are inside. Manan, where are you?
Okay, Shah, the main opposition is Swag Boy. Redstone Derp is slower.
So Ekbo is using a lot of ERS right now.
Bro, the guy break in front of me straight. Literally stopped. Fuck, the guy stopped in front of me.
Not
Go to medium
Hard.
second. Go to medium second.
really?
Hard.
Okay,
You
then go
won't
to
last. You
medium.
won't make it to the end on hard.
True. Medium. Shah, ERS बचाओ, उसको जाने दो अभी. But stay within this 1 second. Redstone
Take
retired.
P9. P9 now. Okay, clear. There's been an incident on track resulting in loose debris. Fortunately, the marshals have managed to clear it up in time and there are no plans for a safety car right now.
Can someone mute the stream?
Yeah. I'll just...
Okay, Shah. So Camel Street में ERS. Let him overtake you. No, let him overtake. Camel Street में ERS मत यूज करना. ये जो बैक स्ट्रीट है, बस स्टॉप के पहले. No. Let him through in the Camel Street. Stay with him. Next Camel Street you will get him. Yeah, so you have to save them. बहुत ज़्यादा fair है. I think so.
don't
He had an oversteering moment.
Who has?
There's been an incident on track, but officials aren't looking to push for a safety
Yes,
car
yeah.
right now. Just be careful.
शाह आराम से टायर्स बचाना, बेमतलब का हिलाना मत टायर्स.
Caution, the virtual safety car has just been deployed due to a
हाँ
buildup
नहीं
of
वो
debris
करो
on the
बट
track.
हीटिंग मत करना टायर्स को.
Manan, what happened?
डेल्टा ऊपर लिखा है.
Tanay Singh.
अरे यार.
मेक श्योर टू कीप एटलीस्ट 1 सेकंड ना फॉर सेफ्टी. 1 सेकंड इन ग्रीन +1. Oh my god, Sid.
I
Sid,
didn't do anything, bro. He just
Sid went out.
Yeah, it was an auto.
VSC ending, we're going green. Maintain positive delta.
Why did you
until
get like
green flags.
that? ठाकुर वो किससे बात कर रहा है बीच में? No drive-throughs. Good one. Good.
Careful around those two.
Shasha, you focus. नहीं ज्यादा मत पुश कर बिकॉज टायर वेयर बहुत हाई है.
Just save your tires for
I
now.
have fucking damage again.
Sid has yellow front wing damage. He needs to pit.
Is auto reset the track on in the lobby settings or what?
It is. इसका ERS कैसे पता चलेगा स्वाइक बॉय का?
Okay, you're in the top 10.
If you can see his steering wheel, it's on the bottom right of. It's down.
Malav isn't going on board. Wait, you retired? अरे मनन retired. तू help कर हाँ. हाँ रेस डायरेक्टर में जाकर चेक कर लेना एक बार.
Joit, whom am I fighting with? Tactically, Oxidize.
Practically Oxidize and Tanay Singh. And behind Utkarsh and Assassin.
There's been an incident on track resulting in loose debris. Fortunately, the marshals have managed to clear it up in time, and there are no plans for a safety
Keep
car
it in the
right
track.
now.
It's a long race. He's losing the car. Yeah. He's pushing. नहीं focus. मानन बता.
Gap to car in front is 2.0 seconds.
देख शाह उसका पेस तेरे से ज्यादा नहीं है. He's just following you.
I have a great battle coming up. Help me, Joit. 3 cars, and I'm gaining on them like massively.
शाह थोड़ा पहले जाने देना था तुझे.
Oh!
You should have let him through.
Oxidize.
What happened? Yeah.
Okay, slow down, slow
Yeah,
down.
that was
Box,
okay.
box.
Delta
Hey,
is
what do I do,
negative,
Joit?
which means
Box,
you are
box.
too fast. Reduce
Everyone
your
box.
pace.
Box on mediums.
Wait, Suraj, you are on mediums. You
Yeah.
need to go on to the hards. Suraj, hard.
Ooh.
You can
Say
make it on
you
the,
can go to the hards.
make
If
it
you-
on the mediums, but you'll have
No,
to
bro, I'm
conserve
making
if you
mediums.
go on the mediums.
Okay.
Jen, what do I do now?
Suraj, you need to go
I'm
hard.
on mediums.
He's on mediums.
On hards. That's not
Hards. There's no
Hard
other
tires.
option.
But
Hard
mediums
tires.
जाएंगे 17 laps for
or-
the other folks.
But you'll get mugged by everyone at the end.
You
No,
could-
there
you
will be
can
people
push
who
it.
won't pit.
No. Medium जाएंगे क्या इनका 17 laps or like 15 laps?
It is possible.
जाएंगे
It
but
is-
उनका भी हालत खराब होगा. तो you will be better.
Or
So
Suraj,
better
you
go
can
on to
do
the
one
hards.
thing. You can do one thing. You can stay out on the mediums right now, gamble for another safety car, and then pit.
Yeah.
That is the biggest
I'm
risk.
doing.
You can hope for another safety car if you want
I'm
to.
doing that.
I have
I'm doing that.
21% wear in fronts for mediums and 18 behind. क्या करूँ? Quickly,
It's your
boys.
Your
Do you
call
want to
if you want
gamble
to
on
stay
another
out or
safety
pit.
car?
But it's safe to go. Safe, right?
Pit entry डाल
Jen,
दे.
20% पे.
हाँ. It's safe.
ये बहुत स्लो पिट एंट्री पे चला रहा था. सही किया बच के चलाया. Smartly done by you. Safely done by you.
Pit cool करने 5 seconds. Yeah.
He got held up by someone.
I think
He got held up by Matt Black.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Matt
Free
finished
overtakes.
the
Let's go.
उसने.
Let's go. Okay. So शाह अभी सेफ्टी कार में एआई मत जाना, टायर्स बचा के रखने बिकॉज अभी लंबा चलाना है थोड़ा. तो ओवरहीट मत करना.
Let's catch up to the field a bit. We're dropping too far back. Remember that we
तो
need to
थोड़ा
stay within 10
extra
car
distance
lengths of
बनाकर
the next
रखना.
car.
Swag boy.
Right, pick up the pace a touch, please. We
He
need to
DNF.
close to within
No,
10
no.
car
So
lengths of the
शाह
car ahead.
शाह लकी डे नहीं, अभी फोकस करो. अभी आधे से ज्यादा रेस बाकी है. अभी
Now I
लैग
think-
इज योर कंपटीशन, तो लैग
Yeah.
से बच के रहना.
Lag and Matt.
Don't
Black.
want another Australia
Yes,
from
yes,
last
yes,
season,
yes.
Shah.
Yeah, go on
Don't let
hard.
him.
Manan.
Matt. Yeah.
All right.
So
Yeah, go on
Tanan,
hard.
What's the average pit
Focus.
pit
Don't
stop
spin in
here?
the safety car, please.
20. I think 20. 20 point something. 20 point something.
But कम ही होगा ना
But
compared to
because of
other
the
tracks.
Slow exit. हाँ, slow exit के वजह से you spend a little more time.
Tears, can you hear me?
Don't let him Matt finish you, bro.
Teams, can you hear me? Oh damn, Teams has muted me.
All I'll say is towards the end, if around laps 15, not 14, another safety car comes out, it's your gamble whether you want to stay out or go on softs at that point. Whoever is on the mediums right now. So
/50. Careful. Actually, just wait until you can overtake him with DRS because that's the. Also, very likely that he might make a mistake also. So be wary of that when if he does.
That is Sid way. Yeah, that is Sid way. I think you must
Please
have
don't weave that much. Your tire will be higher.
You must
Please
have
don't
got
do that.
1 to
Let's
2%
catch up to
of
the
the
field of
tires
eight.
were
We're
right.
dropping too far back.
Sure.
Remember that we need to stay within
Yeah.
10 car lengths of the next car.
Thieves and Shah don't weave.
Sure.
Thieves को मेरा आवाज आ भी रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है?
नहीं आ रहा. I think he's muted everyone here.
No, he hasn't. He's muted me
Then he's
specifically.
just muted you. Bro, anyway, it's not like just
How's pace
be
of Matt
careful of
Black?
entry into
Guys,
turn one because a lot of
Joel,
people
how's
stars
the-
will be caught.
मैं टीव्स
Matt
का
Black?
स्ट्रीम क्लोज कर दिया हूँ. No issue. हाँ बोलो सूरज.
How's the Matt Black pace?
Matt
have
Black
no-
is decent.
Like
But not
Shah
too
like
fast
pace or
either.
less than Shah?
No, less than Shah. Around this guy, Sid. Close to Sid.
Okay.
Shah like pace only Swagboy had, who retired.
Right, pick up the pace a touch, please. We need
अबे
to
उतना
close to within
pressure
10
मत
car
डाल
lengths of the car ahead.
अब वो बाद में बोल वो बाद में बोल देगा.
Yes, I know that. मैं ही बता रहा था. तो अभी शांति से चलाते हैं. ज्यादा ओवर एक्साइटेड नहीं होते. अभी 7 लैप हुए.
Shah, don't make it another Australia.
नहीं करेगा. फोकस करेगा. Shah will focus. थोड़ा लिफ्ट ऑफ कर लिफ्ट ऑफ कर. सेफ्टी इज बेटर देन. यप. एंड हाँ इस लैप में मोस्टली सेफ्टी का रेन होगा. तो पुहोन के बाद थोड़ा वीविंग शुरू कर देना. Yeah.
MFD for a new strategy option.
व्हाट यू टॉकिंग अबाउट? मेरे को आवाज नहीं आ रहा सेड.
कमेंट्री में मालो बोल रहा है कि ये सीजर का कॉर्नर है.
अच्छा. भाई टायर मस्त बचा है शाह. दैट्स गुड.
Don't
Because-
try to overtake him initially because he's on 1 lap old soft, so he's going to be much faster than you on the restart. Wait for him to make a mistake
Okay, let's
because
get ready to go
he
racing
he
again.
inevitably
The
will
safety
make a
car is
mistake,
in this
Hakurba,
lap.
so you don't have
When
to
the
worry
field
about it.
accelerates, remember, there is no overtaking until the green flags. Safety car in this lap.
No, it's fine. it's fine.
Does the guy in first place know how safety cars work?
या he doesn't know.
might
He's
push it
slowing
all
down
the
and
way until the-
तो
yeah.
शाह आराम से उसको देखकर वो बहुत अजीब चलाएगा अभी. एंड वो सेफ्टी कार से थोड़ा पास है.
The way he's letting it go, the only place he can accelerate is after bus stop. So on the
Yeah.
start finish straight, it's a dash.
और शाह ओवर एक्साइटमेंट नहीं, आराम से एक्साइट करना.
Okay, clear.
शाह यारिस बचाओ ना, उसका पेस कम है. यू विल गेट हिम इवेंचुअली.
Wait for DRS to get activated.
Just stay in the DRS zone of Tanay, that's it. If you do
Yeah.
it, you'll get him eventually.
He has older tires and he is slow. ज्यादा प्रेशर मत डाल अभी, इस लैप में कर लेगा आराम से, एक लैप पूरा है, DRS नहीं है, DRS नहीं है इस लैप में।
DRS
What's
नहीं
the
है,
gap?
that's one.
Car ahead is a second a lap faster than you.
As long as it's within 1 second, it's fine.
The car behind is dropping back by about 0.3 a lap.
शाह तू कॉर्नर्स में फोकस ऑन योर कॉर्नर्स ना, you'll get him. Don't even need to push with your ERS. No, don't lift on the ओरूज को छोड़ के बाकी कॉर्नर्स में मत करो, वो अच्छे से लो।
3 cars
Good,
crashed
Car
for
ahead
me.
is 1.8
3 cars have
seconds.
crashed for me.
There's been an incident on track, but officials aren't looking to push for a safety car right now. Just be careful.
शाह बैकस्ट्रेट में ERS यूज करना अच्छे से।
had a moment. Curves are too deadly यार।
गुड। हाँ फिर ओवर ERS मत, अब वेस्ट मत करना ERS, बस सही है। नाइस।
Also, careful when you try to overtake him. He might,
लैग।
and he might try something.
Okay, the stewards have now enabled DRS. DRS is now online.
Okay, good.
Caution.
You have the DRS, use your ERS as well.
ओहो।
Drop your speed. Our
Okay.
delta is
What's
too
lap?
low.
Okay,
Lap
सूरज,
number कितना है?
Slow
हाँ।
your pace immediately.
you have to go on to the hards. अभी softs के लिए बहुत early है।
11, 12, 10, 11, 12.
नहीं यार, अभी जाऊंगा तो पूरा लास्ट ही हो जाऊंगा मैं।
पक्का?
He'll go till lap 13, the safety car.
If it goes to lap
A
13,
new
can the
strategy is
soft
available on the MFD.
या आराम से, बस डेल्टा 3 सेकंड से ज्यादा मत करना, जो भी करना। ना नहीं, सेफ्टी में भी 3 से ज्यादा मत करना डेल्टा।
It
थोड़ा
allows
respectable
people
तो
to,
रखना
it
है ना।
allows the grid, it also allows the,
तो नो यार, बर्न इट, लीन में मत रखो, स्टैंडर्ड करो, स्टैंडर्ड। यू कैन। स्टैंडर्ड कर कुछ।
Soft
lean की
कितना
जरूरत-
जाएगा लैप?
टायर बचा बस।
कितना जाएगा सॉफ्ट स्लैब?
सॉफ्ट 9
9
laps,
laps.
9
10
laps
laps at the
maximum।
most.
हाँ,
Fresh
10 at most।
fresh softs go 10
So-
laps at max.
So
if you-
Suraj, make sure to not weave at all.
Yep।
Okay, slow down. Your
That's fine,
delta
that's
is
fine, that's
negative, which means you are too fast. Reduce your
Sid, you
That's
stay
fine,
out,
that's fine,
please.
that's fine.
Don't
Or
worry,
are you
don't.
pitting?
You will,
Okay.
you will be on like
Okay, we can take you this lap.
I have one more
Alright.
wheel.
last
Okay, then use
2
your
or
medium.
3 laps. You'll hit that 65% threshold. शा उसके बाद you need to control your car control will come in.
अभी
हाँ,
ठाकुरवा
वही।
पिट किया कि नहीं किया, उसको करना चाहिए।
Unless there's another safety car after this.
Okay, ठाकुरवा pitted. Honestly, Shah, only Matt Black has the pace to beat you right now. सेफ्टी का और ओरूश के आगे नहीं, वो पहले ही है। हाँ बस।
Okay, the guy who was
अरे एक बार मैं सेफ्टी का क्रॉस करके चला गया था, ऐसे ही साइड में खड़ा था।
Only one stop to go.
Okay, the
One
guy
stop
who's in
left in
third
this
place
strategy.
right now, he's on 7 lap old hard tire, so he's मतलब कि gambling it all.
अच्छा शायद जिस लैप में है ना सारी कार्स बंचअप लगे कि हो जाए, तो सेकंड सेक्टर में फुल ऑन गेट योर टायर्स हीटेड अप, थर्ड सेक्टर एक्सट्रीमली स्लो लेना है। तो एवरीवन इन दिस पार्टी डू दैट।
You can start pushing after the bus stop chicane also.
हाँ, उसके पहले बहुत स्लो जाना है, फर्स्ट गियर में 50 चलाना है, उसके टायर ठंडे करके रखना है। नहीं 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 है। अरे तू एस्टन मार्टिन का सेफ्टी कार ढूंढ रहा है, मैं तेरे को बता रहा क्या करना है। तू ध्यान रख अभी, जीतना है
Who
bro।
was the guy who was leading from the first safety car?
क्या? या अच्छा शाह, यू आर
We'll say
लीडिंग,
that
यू
after
लीडिंग द
you've
रेस,
gone. But say
यू आर द
I'm
फास्टेस्ट ऑन द ट्रैक राइट नाउ। ठाकुर
ठाकुरवा
ही वाज ऑन फ्रेश सॉफ्ट, तो उससे मत टेंशन ले। हाँ, दैट्स गुड फॉर सूरज एज वेल, सूरज नीड्स दैट। हाँ नहीं बट शाह नेक्स्ट लैप जब बंच अप हो जाएगा ना, सेकंड सेक्टर हीट अप कर लेना टायर, थर्ड सेक्टर सुपर स्लो,
10 car lengths of the next car.
ठंडे करने हमको मैट ब्लैक के टायर।
Your goal is to get past Thakurba and easy level bot as soon as you can, because they are on
who
Suraj.
Yeah, understood.
Thakurwa and P5 and P6, you need to get to P5, Suraj.
Shah, on the lap where safety car is going to come in, ये sector 3 का back street जो है ना, वहाँ पे पूरा slow down करके safety car को let it reach the pit so that
Yeah.
you can like.
और सेकंड सेक्टर पूरा टायर्स गरम कर लेना, 85
Oh,
पहुंचा है।
also, even if it's a green flag, remember no one is allowed to overtake you until you cross the line, so that will get penalized later anyway.
अब वो उसका
हाँ,
कुछ नहीं कर सकते, द गेम
Bro,
इज लाइक दैट ओनली।
last race में मैं 5.6 laps of fuel run कर रहा था at the end because of the number of safety cars, so it doesn't matter.
नहीं। Exactly.
No, I'm just saying everyone must have been running really high fuel because you.
We need to
You
talk to
put
the
it
winner.
in-
Let's call Ashwin to the party. अरे पता है, अरे पार्टी चैट बोल रहा है मैं।
Next car.
देखो मैट ब्लैक इज
ठाकुरवा ने
यश
इजी लेवल
गोयल भी
बॉट
आ
को
गया।
ओवरटेक किया।
गुड ठाकुरवा, डूइंग ग्रेट,
If he did,
डूइंग अमेजिंग।
if he did that, then that's a penalty.
ऑक्सीडाइज किया होगा।
Okay, so Thakurva got. I don't know why Thakurva overtook easy level bot, but he
हाँ
can't. give
चलो
the
अब गरम करो टायर।
अब गरम करना शुरू करो।
हाँ,
Ah,
अरे
that's
you-
fine, that's fine,
easy.
that's fine.
Easy.
करो, ये पूरा सेक्टर गरम करो और थर्ड सेक्टर ठंडा। इट्स इजीली।
It's easy.
हाँ पेल कर जोर से कर।
तावा पे डाल, तेल लगा।
84-85 पहुंचाना टायर्स, ठीक है, स्पेशली रेयर टायर्स, क्योंकि रेयर टायर्स ही ग्रिप ज्यादा जरूरी है स्टार्टिंग में।
Third sector back straight में let the safety car reach
Zoid, I'm
all the
thinking
way to
I'll
the
go
pit
with the
lane.
cold tires. Let it.
हाँ,
Yeah,
all
you
the
don't-
softs-
you
the
don't
softs
wear-
build up
wear them
temperature
out.
very fast. The softs build up temperature very fast.
Yeah,
That's the
you
guy
don't
in
need to
front of
worry.
you.
बस
The guy in
ट्रैक्शन का
front
ध्यान
of you
रखना।
has hard tires.
Where are you now?
He's in fourth. Steves is in fourth.
Oh, great.
Right, pick up the pace a touch, please. We need to close to within 10 car lengths of the car ahead.
अब वो अभी छोड़ दे,
Can't
अपने
say,
को
can't say.
अपने को
Can't say.
मतलब नहीं है अभी, अपने को अभी
हाँ.
फोकस करना है।
You just drive like there's going to be none, and if there is, then you just react to it.
या
Safety car is
Sup-
in this lap. Safety car in this
नहीं
lap.
चलेगा,
Let's make sure
सेकंड
those
गियर पे
tyres are
आराम
up
से
to
चला,
temperature, and
कोस्ट
remember
कर।
there is no overtaking until the timing line.
तब
Stay in position.
70 का
Okay,
स्पीड मान के
this
चल ले,
is perfect,
70
this
से
is
फास्ट मत
perfect.
चला।
Let the safety car reach all the way near the pit lane. Just watch a minimap for it. And then when it does, just explode from there because it will be very sudden when you do it.
शाह बहुत फास्ट जा रहा है, सेकंड गियर में जाना था।
Less
और
than
आराम
100
से धीरे
km.
करना, जोर
80
से
में-
ब्रेक मत करना,
70 या
आराम
80
से
में
करना।
चला.
हाँ 80 पे चला।
Decelerate, don't brake.
नहीं तुझे बस स्टॉप पे ही, बस स्टॉप के एग्जिट पे तू जाना है।
Now go.
पुश नाउ He had a crazy
Our
moment.
head is starting to create a gap.
Strat work.
They're starting to pull away from us.
So we lift off.
Lift कर लेना थोड़ा सा.
Our gap behind is 1.8 seconds. Okay, clear.
If he tries it, Thieves, then you have the full right to just close the door on him.
Good one, Shag. Perfectly taken.
समथिंग रॉन्ग है एक्सीलेटर ब्रो ब्रेक मारता तो भी गाड़ी जा रहा है ले keep it
He
easy.
start to the
I want
safety
him to
car
see
by everyone.
I'm coming Christian come now yes see that
Huh?
that she's awake she'll come no bro
Daughter's awake.
oh shit I crashed
अरे नहीं. Yeah, I just saw it.
man
There's been an incident on track resulting in
He's on your right.
that plane distracted
Fortunately,
me
the
the
marshals have
horse
managed to clear it up in time, and there are no plans for a safety car right now.
It's okay. It's okay. It happens. यश शार्प ने को है ना डीआरएस के बाहर रहना है. ठीक है. उसका कॉन्फिडेंस कम करना है.
We're approaching the pit window. You'll be on the softs. Check your MFD for a new strategy option.
नहीं 50% तक ही जाओ. उससे ज्यादा मत जा. 50% में ही तू पहुंच जाएगा आराम से. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. हाँ अरे अभी 50% का कॉन्फिडेंस है. ये 40% पे लिया ना बस सही था. देख अभी 1.5 भी हो गया. इवन ही इज नॉट टेकिंग इट फ्लैट आउट. इवन ही इज स्कैर्ड. अब मनन उसका कितना ही आ रहे थे बाय द वे. अपडेट करना ना. ओके ओके ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल. ही नीड्स 20% मोर ERS टू ओवरटेक यू. पेस क्योंकि सिमिलर है.
Even if he overtakes him, Shah will just re-overtake him on the next lap.
एग्जैक्टली. सीजर ने अभी से ही लिख दिया. सीजर ने ठाकुरवा का 5 सेकंड का पेनल्टी ऐड कर दिया ऑलरेडी. IRL के चैट में.
Green flag.
Nice. Resetting the
शाह
track या leaving the track?
पूरा ERS पूरा निकाल दे.
In the lobby,
बस
auto reset to
1
track
सेकंड
is
के
on,
ऊपर
that's why they are
है.
all
शांत.
resetting.
Why did they keep it on? It was off for the last one.
Thakurwa reset on track
Did he get DRS? Oh, he got it.
DRS has been enabled. DRS is now.
उसका कितना ERS है मैट ब्लैक का?
35
ओके ओके ओके. ठीक है. तो he is desperate now. Even though he has laps, but I don't know why.
he's using ERS now
No, Thakurwa
He's
reset to
going
track. I just saw his stream.
Yeah. Thakurwa reset again. To be a quali ban and 10 seconds penalty now. निशान ने लिख दिया 18 seconds penalty for Thakurwa.
Okay, wait, don't distract Shah. Keep...
yes shit.
Suraj, by next lap, try getting past easy level board.
Okay.
करने दे, डम करने दे.
He
हम
will
अपना
not
ERS
have enough
बताएंगे.
ERS to even keep ahead, even if he somehow made the move.
Perfect for us.
How much does easy level bot has ERS?
33 हाँ Shah, don't use ERS.
शाह स्ट्रेट में नहीं यूज करना है,
Quick
कैमल
window
में ही
open.
करना है।
Let's box this lap.
हाँ he's using his ERS. Shah.
The gap he has right now is more than enough to keep ahead of him.
Yes, Shah.
परफेक्टली मैनेज। जीरो।
The virtual safety car has just been deployed due
Ultimate
to a build-up
crashed,
of stopped
ultimate
cars on the
crashed.
track. Watch your pace.
Yeah.
Okay.
ठीक है, ठीक है।
So that is just better for you then,
Is
because
negative,
it's...
which means you are
Safety
too
car now.
fast.
Shah, एक काम कर।
Safety car
Put
है
the
यार।
delta up by a lot. Put the delta
Safety
up by
car
a
है।
lot. Wait for a straight. As soon as it says virtual safety car ending, just blast it.
ये
On the
safety
straight.
car है।
Safety car।
It's a full course safety.
फुल सेफ्टी कार, फुल सेफ्टी कार है। Not a virtual.
Steve, spit onto soft.
No, 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 no.
Yeah.
शाह लीड पे। या इट्स ओनली
Should I pit?
40
For
के
the
आसपास
softs?
होगा।
Yeah, Suraj, you have nothing to lose. You have no penalties whatsoever. You might as well take the gamble and
उत्कर्ष कौन पीछे कौन है?
ठीक है, बहुत है, बहुत है।
Just
Utkarsh,
over
Steve,
10 minutes time. Rain in 10 minutes.
go. Pit, Suraj. Pit.
वो
You have
आराम से
nothing
बाहर आ
to lose.
सकता है।
You can gain positions easily.
Right, coming in.
What lap will the safety car come in? Most probably.
टेन
It
टू
won't
15
be-
मिनट रेस खत्म हो
Yeah, it
जाएगी,
won't be-
नहीं आएगी, टेंशन नहीं है।
What did he do? Hey, Thieves.
वो ठोक। ओके, लेट देम पिट, क्योंकि पीछे वाले हार्ड्स पे है तो वो तेरे कंपटीशन में नहीं है।
Shah, तू एक काम कर. This lap, make it fast.
नहीं।
Shah, go.
No. Bro, if this is the case, he needs to pit. Otherwise, he won't be able to keep ahead of them because they have DRS.
Yeah.
also
आर यू
by the way.
श्योर?
I'm
Yeah.
100% positive. I'm 100% positive about
Because
this.
Sid Kulkarni hasn't pitted, Ace hasn't pitted, and these are drivers ahead of him. They have to overtake
You'll be racing on the edge.
Sid and
Go,
Ace.
go. That was
No,
our
they're
last
taking the
stop.
straight
No more
road.
scheduled pit stops.
They don't have the pace to overtake Shah.
No, I think he should.
Bro, last time, Shah, go with your gut, bro. At this point,
Yeah, go
it's
with your gut
call.
at this point.
Shah, pick her, Shah. Stick close to the.
Shah don't
Suraj.
Pit करना था तो इस lap ही कर लेता, अभी late हो गया।
Suraj, slow कर.
हाँ।
Slow कर.
See now, listen.
क्यों?
You can't
No.
You can't pitch now.
नहीं, guys. No, don't be unsportsmanlike.
Stay out.
Don't do this.
Shah, stay out. Shah, stay out.
Yeah, we don't win like that. We don't win like
Guys,
that.
somebody saying something to me.
Yeah.
ऐसे
Sid, don't do, please. Not this.
Chill, bro.
क्या बोल रहा है सेठ? क्या बोल रहा है?
Let's catch up to the field a bit. We're dropping too far back.
I
Remember
think
that we need to stay
Ace and
within
Sid
10 car
Kulkarni
lengths
hold
of the
these
next
guys
car.
up.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
तेरे से है
Shah
बट
तो-
पेस भी कम है उन लोगों का, तो वो इशू नहीं है। प्लस मेन मैट ब्लैक ही है क्योंकि यश गोसाली और द अदर मर्क हैज लाइक 3 सेकंड पेनल्टीज। एक मर्क को तो सूरज संभाल लेगा, तो वो इशू ही नहीं है। हाँ, सेफ्टी का रिस्टार्ट अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था। वेट, इन लोगों ने ठोका, एस ने ठोक दिया सिड को। तो एस का 5 सेकंड तो पक्का है, एंड सिड को रेयर विंग डैमेज भी हो सकता है। अरे हाँ, मैट ब्लैक का
No,
भी
but if he has
अटैक
rear wing
करेगा।
damage, why would he go into the pitch? You can't repair it in the pitch.
या सिड कुछ नहीं कर सकता।
Right, pick up the pace a touch.
या
please. We need
एक
to
कम हो
close
सकता है
the
अगर
wings
एस ने
10
अपना
car
विंग
lengths.
तोड़ा है।
Shah, you're
What
gonna
is-
have to bring those,
He's not pitting.
whatever it
He's
is, you're gonna have to bring the
He's
elbows
not
out in the
pitting.
end.
He's
Okay.
not pitting.
Jane, whom am I
Okay, he's
fighting
not
now?
quitting. Good.
How many laps are
Question am I
left?
fighting?
You're fighting easy.
You're fighting
easy
Yash
one.
Goyal and Matt Black.
Yeah.
Which
You have to, I
position?
think, Yash and Matt
Position.
for fourth. You can easily nab a podium here, Suraj. If you get
Yeah.
them fast enough, you can nab a podium here. But
They
you
have
to get
penalty.
तो मेरे सामने जो है यश कोहलिया ओके जो ये मैट ब्लैक है
3
उसका
सेकंड है उसके
फ्रेश
पास।
टायर्स है
हाँ।
सब
Matt Black has fresh tires. So ठीक है, Matt Black will be faster.
Aside from the top three, everyone has fresh. Aside from the top three, everyone else has fresh tires.
Plus Ace will have the penalty and Yash will have the penalty. Two people will have their penalties. They won't be removed.
यश को
Sid
अभी
Kulkarni
मिला
का
5
will be
सेकंड
removed. हाँ हाँ, उसने सिड को ठोका तो सिड का रिमूव होगा बट एस का रहेगा.
ओके
टायर्स बच्चे अभी कर सकता है.
Right, pick up the pace a touch, please. We need to close
Ice.
within 10 car lengths of the car ahead.
ठीक है, पुहोन के पहले वाला जो स्ट्रेट है ना, वहां पर टायर हिट करना शुरू करना.
21, but yeah, 21 will have.
Matt Black is going to be really aggressive.
They will take 1 lap each to overtake every one of those guys. You will need to. You can have to.
नहीं
defend
अभी
1.5
लैप
laps.
19 में किसी को नहीं कर पाएगा. डीआरएस नहीं रहेगा. ठीक है.
No,
lap-
but they're on hards as well. That's why.
No, but
Shah.
Matt Black is not confident at Orush. He's
Yeah,
been
he's
No, but
lifting.
he-
up a lot.
But just keep it in your mind, Shah, that you might have to defend for the last 2 laps. Just keep that in your head,
Yeah.
even if it
हाँ.
doesn't.
और
It's better
यार
to go
थोड़ा
with that
बचा के
mindset.
रखना है लास्ट 2 लैप के लिए. 60% रखना कम से कम. नहीं नहीं, अभी सेफ्टी कार के पास रहो, फिर जैसे ही वो थर्ड सेक्टर में बोलता है सेफ्टी कार इन दिस लैप, तब स्लो करना.
Okay, let's get ready to go racing
At least you're
again.
scoring
The
points
safety
against
car is in
Steve,
this
so
lap.
that's a good thing.
When
Yeah.
the field
Why did he get a
accelerates,
drive through?
remember, there is no
Speeding under
overtaking
safety
until
अभी
the
110 पे रखो, फिर
safety
80
car
80
this
85
lap.
रखना पेस एंड देन पुश.
Yeah. This is brilliant safety
In
car.
one
management.
way,
Let it go.
in one way, Teves is actually a bit lucky because now people will start to get desperate with the moves, and he might just pick
What?
off people with the drive-through.
यश कोहलिया
क्या हुआ सूरज?
रुक गया गाड़ी
ओके,
पूरे
he'll
बीच
get the
में.
penalty. अच्छा, so you got penalty क्या?
No, not yet.
No,
not
no,
yet.
no.
Not yet.
Yash,
Not
Yash
yet.
bangs in. Yash
बस
hit
स्टॉप
Matt-
दिखना चाहिए आंखों से डायरेक्ट, तभी जाना है, उसके पहले नहीं
Yash
जाना
hit
है.
Matt Black. Yash hit Matt Black, boys. Yeah, 5 seconds.
ठीक है, तो यश का रहेगा, मैट ब्लैक का नहीं रहेगा. ओके, पुश नाउ. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
No. You stay out 1 lap and then go to the next lap. This lap won't count as drive-through because of it. But it's still safety car condition.
Okay, clear.
PJ level bot spun out. Sorry.
Shah, if you can, right, try building up a near 2-second gap on Sid Kulkarni.
Let's take them smoothly.
But
and
don't burn your
all the
ERS.
corners.
Keep it above 60%. That should be
Yeah,
the number.
last 2 laps
Around
60%
10
बस
to
रखना है.
15 minutes.
Ace is holding Matt Black.
Yes, which is good.
We knew this
He's
would
doing
happen.
a brilliant
Yeah.
job.
Yeah.
एंड सिड कुलकर्णी का 5 सेकंड रिमूव होगा, तो वो भी ध्यान रखना.
Matt Black woke up. Yeah.
The gap to the car behind is 5.9 seconds.
उत्कर्ष D1
सिड
का कि
कितना
D2 का
वो
है?
सब D2 है, सब
Everyone
D2 है.
is from D2. No one is allowed to
अच्छा,
reserve from D2.
सिड का कितना ERS है मालूम? मनन.
78.
Okay, okay. So he has ERS.
Manan, can you check race directory to see if Matt Black has any corner cutting penalties?
And,
No,
or
Matt
warnings
Black-
also. That was also
No, Matt Black will have a 5-second penalty because he hit ace 1.
So it's just bring it home mode for Shah now. Don't even need to push.
Yeah. Exactly. But let's get it on track as well.
I mean, try for it. If it just don't defend too hard because you don't have to.
Matt Black is on Sid Kulkarni's back.
Yeah. Let's keep it clean and gain time on them. They will be fighting.
10 seconds he's got.
He will drive cautious now. He doesn't
10
want
seconds
more
में तो लिखा होगा ना 5 seconds किसके साथ है कांटेक्ट. हाँ तो एस वाला उसका रहेगा because he was the one to hit
Yeah,
ace.
yeah. Yeah. He's backing off. Chill.
Might be running 6-3.
He knows he'll get DRS, that's why he backed off.
You look up
And
to
इसका पेनल्टी रहेगा. रिमूव रहेगा. I mean रिमूव होगा.
Okay, the
तो Sid
stewards
का.
have now enabled DRS. DRS is now
हाँ,
online.
he got hit from back.
At the moment, the car behind us is lapping faster than us by around
Take a
1
best
second
laps,
per
sir.
lap.
He just backed off.
Second last.
Yeah, that's
Crash,
they crashed.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, now bring it home.
Okay, let's just bring it home. Let's keep it safe.
Honda those.
It's got
Oh my god. Okay, this was all on Sid Kulkarni. This was all Sid Kulkarni.
that was very
Jin
hard.
has an interesting.
That was very
opinion
dangerous.
about it.
Kulkarni crashed.
Sad for Matt Black.
Kulkarni crashed.
Drove a brilliant race, Matt Black as well. Yeah.
Bro, Sid squeezed him so much. He had no gap.
There's 5 laps.
Aram
of
se.
remaining.
Bro, don't get overexcited. You haven't crossed the line yet. Yep.
So
Be
just
focused, be
drive
focused.
it as slow as possible. Like
Okay,
literally
listen. Utkarsh has a 3-second time penalty. Okay?
I know.
So you don't have to worry about anything. Suraj, you are in prime position because Yash Gosalia has a 3-second time
I know.
penalty as well, along with this five.
Come on,
How many
come on,
laps
Suraj.
left?
His last lap after this.
Suraj,
Where
this
are you
is
on
a
this
chance to
penalty
get
map?
P2.
I know.
Yeah.
Shah just took a clean shot.
Okay.
सूरज
Yeah.
कितना ERS बचा है?
70.
हाँ, यूज कर, पूरा डंप कर देना, छोड़ना ही नहीं कुछ. He's gonna get Thakurwa
This is the
as well.
final lap. Final
So,
lap of the
issue
race.
Yeah.
Yeah. Safe. हाँ,
Dump.
नहीं करके
pushes
नहीं जाना. He might get him.
Got him. Chill.
Shah,
Relax,
आराम
he's
से,
gonna-
आराम
he won't win. He will give up. Yash is right
Yeah,
behind
just stay
Chill.
in. Just stay in his 3-second window, bro. Easy.
Okay, 8 seconds he's got.
Thakurva crashed again. Yeah, he spun on the track again.
He's fun.
I told you
Please
he
tell
was
us
gonna get
something.
Thakurwa. मैप देखो थोड़ा.
And I think he
He
retired
retired.
on track.
Shah. DRS Shah. सॉरी
पूरा ERS डंप कर दूं? बस स्टॉप के बाद कुछ नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज उत्कर्ष इज मेकिंग दैट गैप.
पुश बैक और यस तू राइट साइड मेरे शाह राइट मेरे यस ब्रो शाह सुपर
Green flag.
अरे वाह.
यस शाह यस
Wait, I'm gonna wait until he says it.
Let's
go,
boy.
Egon!
Let's go.
Let's go!
Yes,
Sharp
Told you,
Ranko
you
Shams.
got us, man.
Sharp Ranko Shams it is.
Bring it on, bring it on. Benchot.
Oh,
पहली
P3
बार
Suraj.
कर रहा था.
What was happening in that? What did you guys discuss in? यही discuss कर रहे थे मुंबई में.
Suraj Shah 1-2. Wow.
He's another
Nice
brilliant.
one, boys.
Damn.
Bro, मतलब
Brilliant, bro. Brilliant.
This is
Nice
a
one,
race to
boys.
remember.
Nice
Race
one,
to
boys.
remember.
This party chat helps me. This party chat should be a driver academy in and of itself.
Yo,
Man, amazing guys. Suraj.
Shah, amazing man.
Amazing. Super.
Shah,
Listen,
yeah, God.
Listen,
Shah.
listen. सूरज वो जो यश कोसालिया को 8 सेकंड पेनल्टी था
I know.
उसमें दोनों लेजिटिमेट है या एक टू नहीं
I
है?
do not know. I don't know.
No, he's gonna get all 8 because he was the one to hit Matt Black once.
Yeah,
Okay,
correct.
okay, yeah. All he wasn't he the
Sorted
one
है,
who
sorted है.
stopped
1-2 fixed है. 1-2 fixed है. We didn't hit anyone. We didn't take anyone out.
तेरे पे डाल रहा है.
Yup,
Fuck, man.
yup.
Wait, did it?
No,
Bro,
Tanay
if
Singh
you taken
led
polls,
for 3 or 4
if you
laps.
taken polls,
हाँ
No,
हाँ
no,
तो
it doesn't
मतलब
count,
you were the
doesn't count
net
as grand slam.
leader but you didn't lead all the laps. You didn't lead from start to end.
This is brilliant job.
अरे
sir. This is
जो भी है
brilliant.
you won ना. That's what
won.
matters. And you
Remember,
that
sir,
was a
last
commanding
year's-
drive.
last
Plus
year's
Suraj,
Belgium winner
difficult
in-
strategy worked out. That was good.
yep. That,
Bro, I have no clue how what happened.
guys,
P5.
Teams P5.
Teams P5.
अरे सेठ कुलकर्णी क्या कर रहा था उसका तो मुझे पता नहीं.
अरे सिड कुलकर्णी squeezed him.
मैट ब्लैक की
From
वजह से तो
last
स्वेग
year.
बॉय ओवरटेक किया था शाह.
I've
Quits
always
well.
said this. I've always said this about Sid Kulkarni is that he complains when someone does anything minutely wrong, लेकिन वो ये सब squeezing, wheezing सब मतलब next level वही करेगा.
स्क्वीजिंग नहीं तोड़ दिया भाई.
serial killer light.
शाह आई न्यू इट मैं बोला था शाह.
Shah to D1 confirmed.
शाह टू D1.
I
Last,
think it's you only, no?
I think
Yes,
that no,
Shah.
Suraj scored points last time as well. Shah wasn't here. And
I
now he
don't
finished
know.
P2.
Suraj actually.
Easy
It
level
is Suraj,
ball
D2 leader.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Nice one, Suraj.
क्या बात कर
Suraj,
रहा है?
Abu Dhabi doesn't
Sir.
come until later in the season, so you can enjoy it now.
बेंचोद क्या हुआ है? Fucking है, no clue.
Bro, एक बार दो, एक
Shah
बार
Bro,
दो बोलने
no
दे।
practice. Dude with no practice finished
यार
P2.
literally no practice भाई आज
This
के
is IRL D2.
So you used my
Gupta
setup or
tomorrow.
some other setup?
मैं TRL का उठाया और वो डाला और तेरा विंग 6-5 कर दिया बस और कुछ नहीं.
अरे सही.
चलो जाता हूँ पोडियम स्पीच देने. Yes, I'm there. No drill master in the chat, please. I am speechless. I am speechless. I have no clue what has happened. To be honest, I haven't played this game at all. I think my first race was Bahrain. Then no, I didn't do anything. I just came today with TRL setup. Just did some half an hour practice. I was all prepared to just learn the game. Um, Purposely didn't push for a lap in quali. Wanted P11 and wanted to start on mediums, which I did. One thing that I wanted to learn this season was not to get involved in any collisions. It's fine if I just lose two, three positions. I did. I think the race was going quite good. I had plenty of moments, plenty of moments. I think I have one incident with Tanay where Tanay oversteered and I oversteered out of the bus stop chicane and I lost a couple of positions. It was difficult with the first safety car because I don't want to go to hards. Purposely stayed there betting on another safety car. Then the safety car came a bit early. I had to push, I had to go to softs, and the idea was to stretch to 11 laps on those pair of softs, which I did. I think the pace was decent. I was trying to save my tire wear as much as possible. I think I started my first safety car restart on 70, exact 70-degree Celsius on tire temperatures. Then something happened. People were crashing in and out. I had some couple of close moments with some other folks. Second safety car, I just thought I want to go all in. It's fine. I was getting the confidence on the game and the track. Went for it. Again, I could have, maybe in back of mind, I think I could have challenged Shah. But again, some mistakes again here and there. I lost at least 3-4 seconds over there. But congrats to Shah. Never been happy for him. I think sharing podium on P1 and P2 is something that we always talked about, never dreamt about, but at times did talk about right from season one. So I think that's where the journey started for both of us. So more than getting a podium, I think I'm happy to share it with Shah. That's the cherry on top. But I have no clue. I'm speechless. I'm speechless about this happened. I was expecting at least P8, P9 in this race, and yeah, yeah. I mean, I was able to keep it clean because I was driving very conservatively, very conservatively, not touching any curbs. 100%, 100%. I think next time the order should reverse between me and Shah. Yeah. I mean, this time it was like zero practice. I don't know what happened, but yeah. But yeah, it's done. It's done. I think I need to put some sweat to sweat and learn this game real quick if I want to compensate or competitive. Yeah, but seeing Shaun P1 doesn't really feel good. So yeah, I have to. I relish, but yeah, not for much. Not for much. Yeah. But yeah, nonetheless, a clean race by Shah. So congrats to him. Well deserved. Yeah. Right. Careful what you wish for. Careful what you wish for. Before that, Malav, just one last a big shout out to Jin, Racing Gupta, Teves, Sid Venkatesh for all the strategies and stuff, and Manan. So thanks a lot, guys. I mean, you can imagine, right? There were like 16, 17 drivers starting and only 8 finishing. So, of course. Yeah. Bye bye. Thanks, bye. Ma- I mean, Yash, I was following you. Yash, I was following you and Matt Black. I mean, I knew you guys were struggling in Orush. For some reason, I was getting the confidence to take it flat out in like 3, 4 laps. I was, and constantly I just saw it was like 8 seconds, 10 seconds. I was like, should I risk? I don't know if these guys are clean enough or not. And I was just doing the. I didn't know. At the end, you were on softs, right? Yeah, last and when at the safety, I was behind you guys, right? You and Matt Black. Yeah, yeah. I was just being very conservative, and just on that, I just lost focus and just had a moment. Utkarsh overtook me. Yeah. He, I'm pretty sure, Shadow, you would have got plenty of battles today. Plenty of battles. Would have been there. There was a guy. There was a guy. There was a Red Bull. I'm not sure who it was.